Jo abusiafo mema obibia akwaba ede eba too much GHS so yankopon de adumdum yense yasem amonim se gana wahala dwumedia na yede ebesomo na ha na ensem asoto yede ebremu yebesane mu bomu bede na nso hunya ekoso ewo omayi emu na ene de abeto apono so ayebetwetwe ho nkomo yebebobo hu eye anyumtofo gospel musicians as they say woma warrior ejija woma warrior pansam na eno ama eye abaya ohima mercy say ye de so bokese bi abono say ono ankata ne kunu ne hokani a woni no etie no it is alleged say he chopped her house help because the wife doesn't allow him to fire we any ensema babetoja eye nyumtuni wo hima mercy and che bia de betoja say woni ni kunu ana ne hokani o maware no enche like asem akasa any wantwi bi eba mu mentime ho ase bi ekoso ne no ena nsentwefo edi ekiri nkakran eye se de baba behwe de enti a amasa enioma we ACC ni titu enim eye celebrities ni anontofo no entem ne no ena chese ni kunu no edi ebetu eja ese eye ne yire a wone ne tie eye ohima masi nyumtuni no woman ne kwan emma wono ankasa ade a wobo ho ka wako hu obusuafo atua ho ka no abaya ne mma ne kwan emma ne nsepe ne ho sene wo pe na eno na chese eye abaya no so de abetu edwa ese eye ni kunu no wakwakoto no so se wone ne house maid chese ehihye hono ma mpamu agro no na wo mu edi wokoto no red handed onu anani yagani edo kokko huye entie no na yebusa brante ne se eye no kore ensema wo yiri candidato so se ana woni eye mabo awa wo fie ho obo amo enoma ho kakranka eye no mesi aduane no ne ekono eye ampa se woni no ehihye woni no na wodi tujo se ane se ne yiri no aye na adwen se enya de se wodi bema no wo ma ni ndi wonu a aduane ko on tina keche nyama no obi na eye ase wodi nso so abenya da agede ama na ma no so timi asepe no so won fama no ene na de no wo ye wonu so onye na adwen se wo pese wo ko abonten wonye na de so obekọ abonten na de nimguase aba han ene ohima mercy ni kunu eye den ewo abonten Isaac Chum ye hunu abonten wonu nipa so esi ana wo benten ehihye ho one pep abodi nkekenti no ene wonu a ebetine ne fie na oba wonu aduane ma no ewo fie wono ene one ne hihye ho no ma ene ohu ne se boni bia eniwei ene ensema ababeto edwawei na Ghana fo binom se an ene we de abaye ne dipase ye de ye no eye ohima mercy no edi se ye de ye ne se ne se nwuti so oba ware fo waware na wutimi hwese ya ne wukunu a wate zika aware wo ena manyuma wutu nti sho a wokokobọ nti no na wagya na sifie se made ne ehwe no na made na wo ka che ne se won hwe no wonye aduane ma no ne nyoma yefi a wonsie no se ebe ye den so so wono so no se wo pe ba bi de ne ho atwia ekwa na ode beko because ono ena ya available wu mu nya available na nti wu nya available ne hefa na wo hwehwe se anka brante no wonko enti ye wa na wo ma wo aware no akwakoto yi asensemu by sese ya ye ne wo kase enti no mu ne se eye ohima mercy ne mfonso a waye because bema de wo ware I was say at least we make all your possible best so we man ani age e wo fie say time na wunyam emfa nya aduane ne ya edru edem ho no edem nkomo edem chese bibi afa edan ho bia no e wo say we available say we betimi aye dem I bring it that service out ama be man no so ne ho ato no na so we word so because of say wo to nyom wo carry a ho hia ho enti no dan wo be koso aye dem a follow wo carry na so we chase wo carry na we ja wa rest wono mode a ene de wonsa ebe kan no ebinom so bra ma na anya de a se wo yere mpo no wa wonim adwuma a wa fa to no so eye dwuma di a wo de eno no susu di nya sika egu ni botom eno no susu mi de abo abusuan le awa akoni asa bebre so enti se wo nya time of am eye ntoboase eye akasa na woni oba no betena se na madwenjwen ho no matimi a kire ato adwen na wo bia ntimi ehu na yie atoyie na wo fiti prekopen kasem wo ba wo ne wo fie a wo ye aduane mo wo su nyoma ma wo se wo yiri ni wo na ye bibia wo fie wo tere ne se wo yire se wo nya na wo ma wo time ma wo susu ntimi ene na enkompem agro dia na wone no ebeye dia wo ye san so dia na entwe ye abusuafo mo ma yenko tie ye nuanom binum adwentra wo mo ede ebaye Hajia Atinkan ede odebo say married woman allow your husband to be doing it okay is for them. Why then do they marry you? Is your responsibility to be available all the time so that you can make him happy. So no Yenia Vincent Edward Eba was saying, must I sit for a dog to bite me whilst I have a big stick to kill it? Or say share. Hey, dear brother, Abema na yende no I de want na honum. Emma krama mekan abre biada honum. There be. Yen hwe Emma krama yin kanipa abre biada honti wo no de bema na ye no hu ni say no kwan so a no. Yenua oha ede ode eba say you marry her if she will allow you to fire. I say you marry her. If she will not allow you to fire every day, you have to sit down and talk about it. You shouldn't have to go for the house maid. So and Steve, maybe she is seeing someone else outside the marriage. That's why she is avoiding his husband. So when they say Ebianam, ayo hima mercy. Wo be maybe so one ne twempnam e wa ware na chi enu ti e na dane da wo like o preventing ho e de free no kunu ho ama ne kunu kwakwa yie ne ense emfata no no so sana na dwenkyere ekere no ye nua bi so e bia wo de e ba ye o say chop as many as you can. Why? If she is not ready, the house girl is ready. That's why she's always available in the house. So hey, you have every right to do so. Yenya Mabel, Edward Debo say, how on earth can a woman continuously be denying husband of their right? Husband, that is why leaders and pastors are around us. Do report such cases to them for solution. Obi so say dan obara for wutimi disa nsemhunu we say na emema so no say bibi say esi ewaware mam empentem empe solution emfa ma wawo ede wo how bebro enunti ene ye leaders ewa sorry empanifo wa sorry no enunti na sofo panyin so awada wa no so wo hono obetimi de asem no akwakwakoto nanim na watimi asofu na yie atoye ba wa we wa bisa wo satisfy wan kasa wo ayi dia ene ede ngwase ene bebro say the way abano Yenia Benjamin Ebia Wade Ebaya or say. That is what he will say to cover his shame. Even if you give it to him every second, he will cheat. He will still cheat with the house help. I've seen some before. A pastor for a matter, later claiming he is a man. Nobody should blame the woman. He just wants to cover the shame with that. Also, shame. Hey, well, who way several. Bema power cancer with the natural say, or what to me, Ejina and matching the natural sampa. Well, who be? Also, who way several and Ponanya say you pass them one. Why, yes, I did where your coach was saying where you nipa. Enti ebema de wo beka sei san na yire mfa ma no nzu be ko ne de ma na no pawi anwumre anajo wo pe na ho ma chekra ya de ma no enso so no wo ma si wo ma dwi pise wo mo de light soup omundi light soup angongo si awie ye omundi katekwa angongo si awie ne mo be ye mix omo de be fra remix no enu ana wo mo be ye wo mo suban e ya de ye de bo wo mo timi sisa emfa efri hu nti we de be ma pa na gina emechi e kama emanti wo si we ma be ma ema Fino, we are no betimi aka ede ayeden agility yenia PRS ede ever sin. Such a woman like Ohima Mercy who does not allow her husband to fire is a criminal and a threat to the husband. Or also so ede or de eba ye and no Daniel ede about women the men fire you lament. They don't fire you lament. Now, what do you want men to do? Obisu say Emma say mo Emma no more da more come wasem. One money man so more come say pa den na yenya mamo. Now the way now oba na complain obema no e na complain timpa chow. Ai yenya shalom so the boss may God see them through. I don't want this marriage to break up. I don't want this marriage to break up. The husband must sit down and solve all this shame and make sure their marriage is stable no so adwentre eno no abusuafo we ene ensema aba betodua gospel musician ye ni aba ohima mercy ene de wode so boketi aboni kunu san wone ne house girl eda na be ma na babontin aba be ya no be defend no ho ewo de nti a wo ye saade no ehu wadwentre ne sen wo mo mienu nyina afa no hwan ena wogidi se odifo wutimi de wadwentre no eba too much GH. Subscribe, share from Mobusiafo, all the social media platform. Now I'm reporting you back in kind edit a moment. That's on a your best one is your macramo.